all over again. See how he threw the rope around the tree. Now he's going to secure the tree. And now this guy's going to pull the rope back in the direction in which they wanted before. And the controller is a team effort to get it done. And they did it in a few hours, and they charged me like $2,400. I can't imagine how much they're charging the contractor here. I don't want to count the pennies, but tree cutting business is a good business in Chicago if you want to get into it. An average salary for a beginner that's into the tree cutting is probably around $74,000 a year to cut down trees, believe it or not. All right. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers, and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much. All the trees that are grown along the wall of the property are very dangerous to the property because the root usually will go through the foundation wall and weakens the foundation wall, causes crack in the foundation wall. So we definitely have to get rid of them. And the ones along the fence are also dangerous. We are going to be doing new fence here, and it's all going to be in the way. And so we're going to cut all this down. And there's just too many of them along the building, and it's very, very dangerous. This is day 2. These guys have been going at it. We started at 7 in the morning. You can see the truck and the mulcher. So they're going to load this truck, and this is truck number 1 on day 2 of this. As you can see, there's room to walk around the yard now as compared to what you saw in the previous video, which was yesterday's tree cutting. Yeah, going at it. It's the mulcher, and it goes right into the truck. And the truck will be rolled to a yard where they receive the mulch, and the mulch is sold to gardeners that like to garden to protect their flowers or their plants from weed. These guys are professional. They're going at this. The stumps are going to be used. The big stumps are going to be used as firewood. So those will be taken to a yard where they'll be brought down to size for firewood for heating up the house. So this is not going to waste. This is going to be repurposed for good things. This can't happen here. There are going to be some plant trees down the line. This is not planned. This is dangerous to this these guys are trained professionals. I mean, when I use them to cut down one of the trees, it took them a few hours to cut it down, and this is a mature tree, and this tree is about a good 60 feet tall or more, and they did it in a few hours, and they charged like $2,400. I can't imagine how much they're charging the contractor here. I don't want to count the pennies, but tree cutting business is a good business in Chicago if you want to get into it. An average salary for a beginner that's into the tree cutting is probably around $74,000 a year to cut down trees, believe it or not. Yes, it come out good money. It's a dangerous business, it's a risky business. Like any business, there's risk involved, and there's the risk. And they have to be insured, because if they cut a tree and it falls on a house or a car, they're in trouble for it. But they are skilled. Like this particular guy is skilled in throwing a iron ball over to a branch, and he will use that iron ball to control. At the end of the iron branch, there is the rope, and once he throws it over the branch, he will use the weight of it to control the big rope that is going to go up and wrap around a tree, and this is how they control in which direction the tree will fall into. or fall down.
What we're doing today is we're trimming and cleaning out the yard.
I'm watching my steps here because there's all kinds of stuff. This yard has been like this, so I have to be very careful myself. There's branches like this sticking out, so I have to impale myself. Be careful. This guy did their work and be out of their way and let them carry on with what they're doing. Yeah, that's the rope that he just threw the rope onto that one tree, and then one guy's gonna hold the rope and pull the tree in the direction in which they went before. And then he goes and take the chainsaw to it, and there's a much truck. This truck is about full, and they're gonna send this truck away and gonna come back to wait until the truck comes back. And then do it all over again. See how he threw the rope around the tree. Now he's gonna secure the tree, and now this guy's gonna pull the rope back in the direction in which they went before. And the controller is a team effort to get it done. And look at all this tree along the building. This is not good for a building at all. They make it easy, for real. I mean, they are skilled at what they're doing. They just cut through the trees like it's butter. I mean, they just go through it and chop, chop, chop.
It's going. Here we go slowly. It's going. Wow, look at this. This is a science right here. Look at them. Look at them go. Slowly. Bringing it away from the building. Not to damage the parapet. Nice. Down she goes. Tell everybody get out of the way. Tell them to. Nice. Done. like I was saying earlier, back there, it's kind of sad seeing the trees being cut down, but unfortunately that has to happen in order for the progress of this project. And after we complete this project, those trees are going to be replaced in different areas of the building. We will regrow trees onto the site.
As you can see, look at how much work they've done. I'm back in the afternoon. Early in the morning they were going at it, and now almost late afternoon, and look at how much they've done.
Here's the last tree that is going to be coming down.
This is a full day job, and all the stump you see here are going to be cut down and taken by the truck to the wood yard, and this will become firewood for barbecue and for heating up the house. All the stump you see on the floor here, and this is the last tree that they are going to be working on. And this one tree has 2 or 3 different branches out of it that became a solid tree on its own, and became a one unit. And now they're gonna chop them down one by one. You can see how usually, because this is really important, so they have to use these skids there to pull in the direction they want. They want the strength they don't want. This is a tall one right here. This is one of the tallest one. This is probably approximately about 60 feet in the air. And this one needs some good direction. You can see how it fell.
The last tree is about to go down. Last tree is about to go down, standing up there. That's the last one of them. Everything else is down. Ready? Priced up in the line of fire. The dust and everything in my eye. I don't have my goggles here. But this is getting good. It's the last tree that we just saw in the yard. Where all the trees are down, and we look forward to planting new trees. For sure. Go down.
Here's a tree. Look at this. That's the last guy. So 3 heads. 1, 2, 3. And they had to cut down. Look at how big this guy is. Look at how close it is to the building. This is definitely a no-no. Look at how close. Look at the guy. So no telling what damage the roof has done to the foundation below. Vlog number 82. Tree cutting in Chicago. I look forward to the continued support of the channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.